Hi, this is Karen with WTI. This auto tool home rotary cutter blades helped me with this super intricate, challenging project that I had in mind because this project has so many little flaps and covers and pockets. So I needed something to help me to cut all these small little pieces and be precise with those cuts. There were so many pieces to cut from the magnet covered pockets. As you can see here, one of the pockets had some curves and some small places that I needed to cut and be precise with it. And I was able to actually cut several layers of the fabric. And I really loved the way it came out. And I was able to cut the 1 inch bias, which to me is a little complicated to do it in just one cut. And I was able to make it just with this blade. That's why I love them because it makes my work so much easier. And all these intricate pieces that I needed to cut, it was so much easier to do with this rotary cutter blade. And that's my point of view.